Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, Tracy, and myself. And our Mini Kit Monday host for the month of October is the lovely Kathy. She has provided this mood board as our inspiration piece in putting together our mini kit for the month of October. And she's also provided us a challenge, this bingo board, which you can also use items off of that bingo board to put in your kit. Next, in just a second, you are going to see the start of my layout. I lost the first 20 minutes of my video. I don't know what happened. So in the first 20 minutes, I selected two 12 by 12 papers, and my one 12 by 12 paper had all these word phrases, which I cut out portions of it to state love this and hip hip hooray. Then the second thing I did was take a die cut piece and paper pierce it, which is right above my photograph. I matted my photograph, and I also used foam adhesive to pop it up just to give you that dimension. Now I am using these colorful chipboard alphas that were released in, I think, a Paige Evans collection. And I normally don't get chipboard pieces that have different colors because I like my words to be the same color, and normally it doesn't work out when there are various colors in a alpha set, but I made it work. So my title is going to be New Edition, and this is our new miniature Dachshund named Penny, and she is about 7 weeks old. We just got her the night before snapping this photograph. Now from my Cocoa Vanilla Unforgettable die cut ephemera pack, I use that ticket that says Lifetime Pass. I tuck in that circle die cut underneath, and then I bring in this one here with the heart and stripes. Then I will go to my unforgettable clear sticker sheets right there, and I select two succulent clear stickers to put on the right side of my title. I thought I would put it on the left side, but it finds its home right there. And then I'll add a second succulent. And then I will go back to those clear stickers and I select a butterfly, which you will see a clear butterfly, and you'll see that in just one moment. So while I'm just a little bit ahead of myself, and this is going to be a quick video, I want to make sure that you go check out Becky, Kathy, and Tracy's channel. So I will have in the description box below the link to their channel along to our Facebook group site. If you're not a member, we would love to have you as a member. All you need to do is request a membership and we will get you added to the group, and you will see inspiration by our other members, and they will be posted in the October album. If you would like to play along, snap a photograph of your kit and each layout that you create and upload it to the October album to be entered in to win possibly a gift certificate or a curated kit from Kathy. I don't know what she's doing this month. All right. The next thing that I will do is get out my Dilution Shimmer Spray in Bumblebee Pink. You will see that here in just a minute. I bring it up to my layout to make sure that's the color I want to use. And I will shake that up and do some splatters underneath my title and then above the die cut piece. Then the next thing I will do is bring in my sequins called Wild Berry from Close to My Heart, and I will sprinkle those along the bottom of my title and then a couple up by my flower. Now, because I was a little bit impatient and I did not let my shimmers dry completely, which take about 5 minutes to 10 minutes to dry, but I went on and added my sequins, and I have just a little places on the bottom of my title where my splatter smeared just a little bit, but not too bad, so I'm a-okay. You're going to see close-ups in a minute of my layout, and really this was a quick layout. If I had not lost the first 20 minutes, I think this layout took me probably about 30 minutes to create, and 15 minutes, probably 10 minutes, probably 10 minutes was the paper piercing of that die cut piece. All right, I appreciate you all. Please be sure to get out your photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way using your scrappy stash, and give us a thumbs up and keep coming back. And please go check out all the inspiration over at our Facebook group site. Again, we post for Mini Kit Monday on Mondays, and I also will post throughout the week, sometimes more times than others. So just be a subscriber and you will get notified. And you have to hit that notify button. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.